Hello guys, today I'm gonna prank my friends. So the plan is, they're upstairs and I'm going to take them to down and say, let's play the trampoline. I'll say I had to do something in the kitchen. So when they're jumping, I'll just play horror sounds in speaker, or that I put a Bluetooth speaker here. So they're gonna be scary, so let's see action. Okay? So let's go and call them. They're upstairs. Guys!
Yeah?
Let's go and play on the trampoline.
Oh, that's fun. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go and play on the trampoline.
Ready? Let's go.
Yeah, they're coming downstairs. Guys, I'm putting the camera upstairs. And let's see what's happening. Guys, I could tell them it was a prank. Guys, it was a prank.
You stupid idiot.
Guys, please like and subscribe. Then watch what it says. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe or else the one